This is a quick how to install the premium trigger. First, grab your rubber band and your tank. Slide the rubber band over the tank around where you think is the right spot. Then grab the piece with the magnets, lay it over, hold it down, grab the rubber band and lay it down. Take the next piece, lay it down, slide the rubber band over. Do that for all the tabs. Do not pull on the plastic tab as it's pretty thin plastic and you may break it. When all the tabs are covered, then make sure everything is straight. It's good to have a maximum contact from the rubber band with the tank. Now you're ready to develop. Happy development!